Today I'm going to show you which AI is really the best. I tested Claude 4, Grok 4, and Kimi 2 head-to-head. The results will shock you. One AI crushed the others, and I'm going to show you exactly which one you should be using right now. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO Agency, Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Look, everyone's talking about which AI is the best, but nobody's actually testing them. Today I did the work for you. I ran 5 brutal tests, real-world stuff you'd actually use, and the winner might surprise you. Here's what I found. One AI won 4 out of 5 tests. Another AI only won 1 test. And the third AI, well, let's just say you might want to think twice before using it. But before I tell you the winner, let me show you exactly what I tested, because this isn't some fake comparison. This is real data, real results, and it could save you hours of wasted time. I tested 3 things that matter: content creation, game building, and real-world business tasks. The kind of stuff you actually need AI for, not some made-up nonsense. Test number 1 was copywriting. I asked each AI to write a viral Twitter thread. The topic was why most people fail at building an online business. I wanted hooks, I wanted engagement, I wanted something that would actually get clicks. Claude 4 went first, and wow, the copywriting was incredible. Strong hooks, clear value, each tweet could stand alone, the emojis were perfect, the call to action hit hard. This was content you'd actually want to share. Grok 4 came next. Different style, but still solid. The copywriting was good, really good, but something about Claude's approach just felt more natural, more engaging, more like something a human would write. Then came Kimi 2, good hook, decent content. But when you put it next to the other 2, it just didn't have that same punch, that same energy, that same wow factor. Round 1 winner, Claude 4th. But the race was just getting started. Test number 2 was YouTube scripts. I asked for a 60-second short about how AI is replacing content writers. I wanted it fast-paced, shocking, educational, with a killer hook in the first 3 seconds. This time, Grok 4 stepped up big time. The script was fire, great pacing, strong hook, clear educational value. You could actually see this going viral. The copywriting was on point, the structure was perfect. Claude 4 came second. Still good content, still valuable, but Grok just nailed the format better. Sometimes the right AI wins the right task, and for short-form video scripts, Grok killed it. Kimi 2 again came third. Not bad, but not amazing either. When you're competing against the best, good isn't enough. So after 2 tests, we had a tie. Claude 1, Grok 1, Kimi 0. But the real test was coming up. Test 3 was where things got interesting. I asked each AI to build an HTML game. Just click to collect coins. Simple, right? Wrong. This test separated the winners from the wannabes. Claude 4 absolutely crushed this. Clean design, working game, responsive layout, everything you'd want in a simple game. The user interface was beautiful, the functionality was perfect. This wasn't just code, this was craftsmanship. Kimi 2 tried hard. Moving coins, when you click them, that's actually a nice touch. Creative thinking, but the background was too simple. The overall experience wasn't quite there. Grok 4, super basic, like really basic. Just the bare minimum to call it a game. When you're comparing it to Claude's masterpiece, no contest. Claude takes the lead, 2 wins out of 3. But I wasn't done testing yet. Test 4 was the big one. Build a Minecraft-style game, but here's the catch. HTML only, no JavaScript. This was going to test creativity, problem-solving, real coding skills. Claude 4 didn't just win this test, it dominated. Beautiful interface, working gameplay, responsive design. You could actually play this thing and have fun. The mechanics worked, the design was clean, this was next level stuff. Grok 4 took forever to generate anything. When it finally did, the game mechanics weren't clear, half the stuff didn't work. For something that took so long to make, really disappointing. Kimi, oh boy, instead of making a game, it literally just generated HTML code and explained what the game would be. That's not a game, that's homework. If you ask for a game and get an explanation, that's a fail. 3 tests down, Claude 4 leading with 3 wins, Grok 4 with 1 win, Kimi 2 with 0. But I had one more test to really prove which AI was best. Test 5 was a choose-your-own-adventure game. Start in a dark forest, give players choices, create different paths and endings. HTML only, again, this tests storytelling plus coding skills. Once again, Claude 4 delivered, great interface, smooth gameplay, multiple story paths that actually made sense. You could spend real time playing this and enjoying it. The user experience was incredible. Grok 4 made something playable, but super simple interface. No real design, just text on a page, functional, but not exciting. When you compare it to Claude's polished experience, no competition. Kimi too failed again. Another explanation instead of an actual game. If you can't deliver what someone asks for, you can't be the best AI. Simple as that. Final results: Claude 4 won 4 out of 5 tests, Grok 4 won 1 test, Kimi 2 won 0 tests. But here's what this really means for you. If you're doing content creation like social media posts or blog articles, Claude 4 is your best bet. The copywriting is just better, more natural, more engaging, more likely to get results. If you're making short-form video content, Grok 4 might be worth trying. It really understood the format, the pacing, the energy you need for those 60-second videos that go viral. If you're building anything technical, like games or websites, Claude 4 wins hands down. Not even close. The code quality is better, the design is cleaner, the user experience is smoother. But here's what nobody's telling you. The best AI strategy isn't picking one and sticking with it. Smart people use different AIs for different tasks, match the tool to the job. For most business owners though, Claude 4 is probably your best starting point. It won most tests, it's reliable, it delivers quality consistently, and consistency matters when you're building a business. Now, you might be thinking, Julian, this is great, but how do I actually use this information? How do I turn this into real results for my business? That's where most people mess up. They get the information, but they don't take action. They don't have a system. They don't have a process. Here's the thing about AI. It's not magic. It's a tool. And like any tool, you need to know how to use it properly. You need processes, you need systems, you need someone to show you exactly what to do. Think about it this way. You just learned which AI wins different types of tasks. But do you know how to write the perfect prompts? Do you know how to get consistent results? Do you know how to avoid the common mistakes that waste hours of your time? Most people don't, and that's why they struggle. They have the tools, but not the knowledge. They have the technology, but not the strategy. I've been testing AI tools for months. I've found what works, what doesn't work, the shortcuts that save time, the mistakes that cost money, and I've turned all of that into step-by-step processes. Because here's what I realized. Information without implementation is useless. You can know which AI is best, but if you don't know how to use it, you're still stuck. That's why I created the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We don't just tell you which tools to use, we show you exactly how to use them. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, you get the exact prompts I use, the workflows that save me 10 hours a week, the automation setups that run my business while I sleep, real systems that generate real results. But that's not all. If you want to dominate search results and get more customers from Google, we also offer free SEO strategy sessions, no sales pitch, no nonsense, just real advice that can transform your business. During these sessions, we'll analyze your website, show you exactly what's holding you back, and give you a clear plan to start getting more traffic and customers. The link is in the comments and description, and if you want to go even deeper, check out the AI Success Lab. We have SOPs and processes for everything. Over 100 different AI use cases, 14,000 members who are all scaling their businesses with AI. You see how I show a checklist of 100 different tutorials that we give away as freebies every day inside the school feed. You can get all the video notes from there. Plus, access to our entire community of entrepreneurs who are using AI to grow faster than ever before. When you see 14,000 members, that's not just a number, that's proof. Proof that this stuff works, proof that people are getting results, proof that you're missing out if you're not part of something bigger than yourself. Look, you came here to learn which AI is best. I showed you the data. Claude 4 won 4 out of 5 tests. That's your answer. But data without action is worthless. The real question is, what are you going to do with this information? Are you going to bookmark this video and forget about it? Or are you going to take action and start using AI to transform your business? Because here's the truth, AI isn't going away, it's getting better every day, more powerful, more useful, more essential for business success. The people who figure this out now, they're going to dominate their markets. The people who wait, they're going to get left behind. It's that simple. So, if you're serious about using AI to grow your business, click the links below. Join the AI Success Lab. Book your free SEO strategy session. Start implementing what you learned today. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. And let me know which AI you're going to try first. Are you Team Claude, Team Grok, or are you going to test them both and see what works best for your specific business? Whatever you choose, remember this. The best AI is the one you actually use, consistently. With the right prompts and the right strategy, that's how you win in business, that's how you win with AI, and that's how you turn today's video into tomorrow's results.